welcome to a new video today from the marvelous city of Mostar here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. We just came over from Croatia and it's not far actually. It's like from Split it's like a 2-hour drive to Mostar, and Mostar is one of the most impressive cities in all over Bosnia. Also very touristy, I would say. The 5th biggest city in the whole country with a population of 110,000 roundabout. And yeah, Mostar is very famous for his beautiful old bridge, the Starry Most. It's literally early in the morning. A lot of people coming over here from Croatia, from Split, doing like day tours and stuff. But there's also a very beautiful surrounding area here in Mostar. We will show you also. So there's like a viewpoint up there and another place called Dervish House. We'll go on there later. We made it here to a viewpoint from where you get probably the best view to the old bridge right next to the Neretva river. On the other side you will find plenty of restaurants. We're going in one later. And this is like the main street here through Mostar. You got plenty of shops where you can buy literally everything, I would say. Also we got some gelato over here. So yeah, a very beautiful street, but also very crowded. We're told to go to a restaurant which is called Urban, and I think yeah, this one is one of the very good restaurants here in Mostar. Made it here to Urban restaurant, found it. The waiter said he has a very special table for us for two, so let's wait a little bit and then catching hopefully a very good view and some good traditional food. So he was not lying.
It's the best ever.
And some meatballs with smashed potatoes. Looks pretty good. So finally some desserts.
I love baklava.
With lavender ice cream.
Yes.
Probably the best view in the whole city of Mostar to this beautiful bridge, and the food was just amazing. So highly recommended.
Try baklava here.
Baklava is also very good. I just had the beer, which was also very good. If you're looking for a good rooftop bar here in Mostar, then it's definitely the Terasa Alibaba. You got a perfect view to the old bridge, to Starry Most, and the whole city of Mostar, to the river and to all these beautiful mosques. So tomorrow we are going to the Kravica Waterfalls, which are also very impressive. It's like a 15-minute drive from Mostar. You can also have a swim over there. I think it's pretty cold actually, but we still want to go inside because it's very beautiful. It's such a beautiful place. So we are going back to our hotel, have some rest. 50 minutes, 20 minutes drive from Mostar, and you get to this beautiful place. It's called Dervish House or Dervish House. Found this cute restaurant over here right next to this waterfall, and this area is called Vrelo Buna, I think is the name. And the currency here in Bosnia is the convertible mark, so or the convertible coin. This one is the Dervish House. You can also go inside. It's only 5 euros per person, but unfortunately we have no cash. It's a little bit like in Albania. Most of the places here, they don't accept cards, so make sure to bring enough cash with you. There's also this cave over there. From down here you got a very good view as well. So there's also a restaurant inside where you can just enjoy some drinks and some food, and it's a very lovely area over here. This is like one of the best views here in Mostar, and it's just a 10-minute drive from the city up to the mountain, and you get this beautiful scenery here over Bosnia and Mostar. This area is called Fortica, Park Fortica, and you got this skywalk over there. Such an amazing view to the mountains, beautiful panorama. Right over there is the old bridge, and you got a lovely panorama. There's also a zip line over here, 25 euros per person. Made it here to the Kravica Waterfalls. Getting some tickets over there, so it's 10 euros per person. Parking is included, and then we are just having a little walk down to the waterfalls. I already can hear them. Very nice. Guys, look at this place. Man, it's such a beautiful place. Wow. Colder than the other one in Croatia. Very similar, right? So we're going there. No one is inside. We might be the first one. Shit. Guys, but so cold. What an experience. Swim here in the front of the waterfall. Woo. It's fucking cold. So there's no better place to end up this video. I hope you like this video. A very beautiful country, guys. I wish I could explore more. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully see you in the next one. Stay easy, stay tuned, have fun, and see ya. Peace.